Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So have you been wondering, how do I fill my document? How do I sign it without printing it out, manually filling and signing it and scanning it and sending it back? That is just too much hard work. I'm here to show you the fastest and easy way to do it with your smartphone. You don't even need to use a computer. Like, with your smartphone you can do this. So now let me introduce you to this app. This app is called Adobe Fill and Sign Form Filler, and this app is 100% free. You can use it on your iPhone, you can use it on your Android devices. So now this app would not require you to create an account for you to use it. That's a juicy part. So you don't need to create an account, you don't need to sign in if you don't want to. All you need to do is to tap on it. The interface may not look like this. This is looking this way because I've been using the app for like over 2 years. Yes, I just remember that I have to share this app with someone. Like, this app may not look like this when you open it. If you're using it for the very first time, you may receive a prompt that you should create an account. But I've been using this thing for a while. So once you just skip, you get to this point. This is the default interface. I'm just going to quickly show you how to use the app. So just tap on select a form to fill, then these options will pop up. Then you can choose to select the document, if either from the file browser, a web URL, a web search, and all of that. But the document that I want to fill is actually in my file browser, so I'm just going to go and get the document. So this is like a sample or a demo document of what I want to fill. And the easiest way to do that is, if I just, let's say for example, I'm just going to zoom in a bit. Let's say for example, the first stuff here, the first thing I need to fill is my name. All I need to do is to zoom just a bit. So what I want to do is to tap on that place with my finger, and then even if it's not where I want it to be, I'll just type my name. Now, because I've used this platform before, so it automatically registered the last name that I used, which is this is my name. And I'm just going to tap on anywhere on the screen to remove the keyboard. Then I'll tap on it. If you want to increase the size, you can just, if you want to reduce the size, you can just tap out this A, the first A, it will reduce the size. If you tap out the second A, it increases the size to how big I want to be. And you can always delete it by checking on that. If you tap on these 3 dots, you can either change that text to a check mark. So let's say for example, you're filling a form and then there's a part where you have to check it. Like, this is the easiest way to, like, I just click on it, check it. You can star it, like whatever you want, the option that you want. So now for me to move it to make sure it's aligned with the name, I'm just going to use my finger, hold it, then this magnifier stuff will come up, and I'm just going to place it where I want it to be. If I want it to be here, if I want it to be here, I just place it there. So I'm just going to keep tapping like that and filling up the form any way I want. So that's pretty much how to fill your form. So right now, if you want to put your signature, all you need to do is to tap on this icon here to apply your signature. Then you click on create signature. When you click on create signature, it's going to tilt like this, so you have to create a signature. You can draw it right here. You can draw your signature. You can put your signature as an image or a camera on your camera, but I strongly advise to just draw out your signature here. Then when you're done, you just click on done. Then it's going to come this way, so you can just apply your signature wherever you want. And to release that, just tap on anywhere on the screen, and that's it. If the signature is too big, you can reduce it by using this arrow here. Reduce it to make it smaller or make it bigger, depending on what you want. You can click on this option here to export it to anywhere that you want it to be exported to. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.